got a little bit of a little campfire grit in there, but what I need is this to be a little bit even.
As the wood all burns and it's right in mid-cook, the steak's almost done and the whole thing falls over.
The steak falls in there.
Oh yeah, baby.
Then we should go over and walk around that island. It's low tide right now.
What, Al?
Oh yeah, mama. It's boiling. Say yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
I'll say stick it.
Oh, yeah, we need.
Otherwise,
It's boiling.
A little grit out here, I actually kind of like. You can eat that.
Oh, wow.
Eat that. Oh. Carter, you do whatever you want, man.
It's your butthole that you're gonna get. Okay. First reaction.
I knew it's so good. It's really, really good.
Yeah?
That's what you want.
Yeah. Very good.
You made the right sound before.
You're like a regular Guy Fieri. If somebody doesn't put that au jus in their food, I will actually be a little disappointed.
It'll get used. We've got
This is.
You want to see the picture?
You might get sponsored by Maruchan.
Maybe.
Wouldn't that be great?
water left. It's a little different than this tank.
Ouch.
It's on.
Fire.
Yeah, cool. So you just watch this, and when it turns yellow, then it's hot.
Then it's hot.
Don't get that water in the background.
Oh, we already
We'll
got it.
hide it.
Actually, it'll probably be good to describe to the doctor when he's like, "Oh, what color was the water?" Well, we got some video right here. He's like, "Good God, you drank that?"
This is my last transmission.
Imagine how many subscribers we'll have.
So, nice campfire. If you look over there, you'll see a tree with a little bit of a bend,
Over my wife.
and then you keep going up, and
Probably
it's
doesn't mind.
hanging on by about.
Tree's fine. It's not going anywhere.
Mark's original assessment was no good. He's like, this is no good. Freeze-dried ice cream. What will they come up with next?